In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the WebPaint extension on a Google slide, but just know that you can use this extension on any website that you have up or anything that's on your screen. You can use this extension as long as you have the Chrome web page open up. All right, the link to this extension is located in the description below. So if you need that link, you can go ahead and do that. So after you install the extension, you are going to click on the extension one time, and then you'll see this nice toolbar come out. You can pick between a pencil and line and an arrow and all kinds of different tools that you can put in here. So definitely go through, take some time, and take a look at what all of these different tools do and what they are. But for my question here, I think that I'm going to use my circle tool because it says it's a bag that contains 4 white, 3 blue, and 6 red marbles. So I'm going to choose the color. I'm going to need white first. So I'm going to pick white. And then I'm going to make 4 white circles, kind of circles, and then 3 blue. So I'm going to change my color to blue. And then I'll pick, there we go. And then I'm going to pick red. So I need 6 red marbles. And all of them are inside a bag, so I can pick a different color and then make a bag out of it. Whatever you want to do. Or you know what? I don't like that, so I'm going to undo over here. And I'm going to freestyle draw that. So I'm going to say, here's my bag. That's a terrible bag, but that's the best I can do for right now. Okay, so after you are done doing whatever it is you need to do, because I mean, you can draw on here, you can make references, you can draw different pictures, whatever you need to do. And when you're done, you can take a screenshot of the page and it saves to your Google Drive. You are also able to clear the whole page by erasing all of it. And then when you're done completely, you can just click on quit and the toolbar goes away. So that is how to use some of the features in the WebPaint extension. If you have questions, please attend one of our tech talks or send me an email. Thank you so much.